Chris here from Thrill Rides. I'm sitting over here at the Chance Rides booth. As many of you guys know, there is a Mattel Adventure Park opening up in Glendale, Arizona in 2023. We heard a lot of things about it. Now, this is the car reveal of the new Bone Shaker roller coaster that's going to be opening up at that park. And I did talk to Chance Rides and also one of the employees of the actual Venture Park, and they advised me that there's actually a dark ride, and I'll be showing you guys that here in just a second. But I kind of wanted to just reveal this car because it has an extreme amount of detail. Looks like it's going to have just simple lap bar restraints. It is a family coaster, and I was advised that it's going to go inside and then launch outside for just a few minutes. I'm going to go over to the other side to show you the Thomas the Train reveal. We are over at the Daniels Woodland booth over here at IAAPA, and this is the He-Man and versus Skeletor laser tag that'll be opening at the new Mattel Adventure Park in 2023. Now, I did talk to Daniels Woodland, and they don't know what specifics they could release on this, so they just told me to tour over here, but I do know that they scaled it from the figurines that are located over there into the full-scale models here, which is really cool. If you don't know about Daniels Woodland, these guys are very, very talented. So they took it from a little figurine model, and then it developed into what is this. And then we have the Skeletor model that developed into this. Very cool.